Hi everybody. So we are already on our hook with our slip knot. If you don't know how to tie a slip knot, I will link the video below so you can learn how to tie a slip knot. So please like and subscribe and leave any comments on if you want to see any other types of tutorials. I have been crocheting for over a year now, and I picked it up as a hobby and taught myself how to do it because knitting is too hard. So we're going to chain 10, and in today's video we are going to learn how to do a half double crochet and a double crochet. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Okay, so a half double crochet. As you know, I like to crochet into the back end of my crochet, so I have a very nice border on it and I don't have to add edging. So when you're doing a half double, depends on the person whether or not you want to add a chain and then go into it or not. To make the work tidier, I'll add a chain. So add a single chain. Okay, so we're going to take that one out. We have 10 on our hook right now. You want to add that 11th chain, and we're going to crochet into the 10th chain. So you're going to skip the 11th one. So how you do a half double crochet is you're going to want to wrap the wool around your hook and then go through your hoop. Okay? Now you have 3 loops on your hook. You go through the first one, and now you have 3 on your hoop again. Yarn over and pull through all 3 hoops. Okay? So we're going to do that again. Yarn over, go through your hoop, yarn over, pull through the first one, 3 hoops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 hoops. Okay? I know this one's a little bit more complicated, but let's do it one more time. Yarn over, go through your hoop, yarn over, pull through the first one, 3 hoops on your stick, yarn over, pull through. And you can see how pretty that is. So yarn over, go through your hoop, yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over, pull through all 3. Yarn over, through the hoop, yarn over, pull through the first, yarn over all 3 hoops. So I'm going to go to the end. Okay, so everybody, we're on the last stitch, and if you remember from the first tutorial, your knot is not a stitch. So yarn over, go through, yarn over, pull through the first one, yarn over, pull through all 3. Now, chain 1. With the half double, you can either chain 1 or you can chain 2. I usually just chain 1 because that's my preference. It all depends on the person, okay? On how you want your project to look. Now, as you can see, in compared to the single crochet, okay, there is this back. So if we pull this apart though, you can still see that there is a hole. That's what we're going to crochet into. So you're going to yarn over and go in so your V is sitting on top of your crochet hook. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. Okay? So again, yarn over, Your V is on top of your crochet hook. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. And again, V on top. So we're going to go all the way to the end, and then we're going to do a double crochet, which is fun. It's not hard. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the double crochet. So you're going to want to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that is going to count as a double crochet. Flip your work, and we're just going to do this the same. It starts the same way the half double starts. So yarn over, through the hole, pull through. But when you yarn over and pull through the second time, you're only going to go through the first 2. So then there's 2 stitches on your hook again. Yarn over and pull through those 2 stitches again. Okay? So one more time. Yarn over, through the hole, V's on top. Pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2. Yarn over again, pull the second 2 actually. So yarn over into the hole, pull through, yarn over, second 2, well, these 2, and then these 2. Yarn over into the hole, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. That is how you do a double crochet. So yarn over, through the V, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And again. Just pulling up some wool. Do. Sometimes your stitches get stuck, and it just happens. It happens to everybody. So now that we're at the end, you can see the difference. This is two rows of half double, and this is just 1 row of double crochet. Now there are 2 different ways to crochet into the next row. So let's chain 3. 1, 2, 3. The first way you can do this, and it depends on the pattern, is into each segment. Okay, so you can crochet your double crochets into that hole down there. 1, 2, and that will make like a checkered board almost pattern. Okay, so we'll do a full row like that. So when you're doing it like this and you get to the last row, just remember, put that in there And it's just 1, 2. Now we chain 3 again. 1, 2, 3. Flip this over, and you see how that it's like the checkerboard pattern. So it's inside this part here. The other way to do this is so you have the hoops more together. So you can crochet into this hole right here and make sure you leave something underneath. So those are the 2 different ways, and it will look a little bit different to do an entire project with the double crochet. If you're just crocheting into the stitch and not into the pattern itself. And I will show you how it looks a little bit different. You'll see it in just a moment. Now, when you come to the last stitch doing it this way, you're going to want to stitch in to the top stitch of your chain 3 on the end. And that's how you would get to the next row. See, it looks a little bit different. It depends on your pattern, what you're going to use, how you're going to do it, how you want your scarf or sweater or whatever it is that you're making to look. But that is how you do a half double crochet and a double crochet. So there's one side, and that's what the other side is going to look like. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, let me know, and like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Thank you.